Hello again, and thank you for joining Jeff and Jenny's Classic Restorations. Well, once again, a little bit of an update. So there's not much going on until I get the shed and get that sorted, but I think it's still a couple more weeks for that. But I will show you a little bit of an update how we're getting on. So Jenny's in the new section of the garden, which I'll show you properly in a minute. So come and have a look, see how we've been getting on. Well, there we go. This is a bit better than the burnt shed. This is the, I don't know what to call it, the Shed Memorial Gardens or the Lex Motor Pegasus Memorial Gardens. But we got some of this artificial grass because Jenny does like that. This is a bit of her old grass up the end there. I'm going to have to go around, I think, certain places with stones, little white stones. But we've got all the fencing up at the back there now. So Jenny's totally secure in here. And you can see I've done the fencing, that's all done. I've still got to paint the other side, but that's all okay. We'll have a quick look outside. You can see I'm not sure if they're going to take this skip. I'm going to try and get rid of it tomorrow if I can. If we just look out here, it's a bit OTT, but I'm going to see, I'd like to just get rid of that, and hopefully that will go tomorrow. So now looking down the garden, we've got a much longer garden. Unfortunately, this bit here, as I say, I can't get this into the skip. This is the base of the old shed, which I'll show you the saw that Tom from Evolution Tools sent me. But that's been a godsend for not just this, but cutting fences and feather edging, etc. So I'm going to leave this to the wife. Well, not physically, but she's gonna. They're Buddhists and they do praying and things like that. So this is our, I don't know, I think they call it a Sedit Mare. It's more like a beacon for Heathrow Airport. All the aircraft zoom round to that one as a marker out of Heathrow. But that's going to stay. They're going to do something. I really don't know what to do here. That's one thing I'm not sure about. But as I say, the shed will, these posts will go and the shed will start from here and then work backwards to look like a little bit like a garage there, 12-foot shed. And whilst we're coming around, the little Persia Django, I've been working for 6 days. I was off yesterday, but I have to admit this is it's been quite good fun compared to the Pegasus, which was great. That was a 300. This is only a 125, but as I say, it's got all these extra chrome panels around the side with the Django written into it, and it's yeah, very unique, I suppose, and classic looking. So later on, when we get a chance, I will be doing a few things on here, servicing and all that, and anything that goes wrong. So and whilst we're out here with scooters, I brought this one out into the sun for a bit. I was going to give it a good start today, but it's got no petrol at all in it, and I've got no jerry can, obviously, so that went up in the fire. So you can see it's this will be the next major project. It's got this usual, I've had worse, just this general surface rust, but it's all complete and it does run. The chap sent me a video of him riding it, so this will be a project to do. It shouldn't be too hard. We'll paint this a nice little grey, and that will be sort of the first sort of project after the shed gets sorted. Now this is relaxing. Started to get there, sitting in the garden without a burnt shell of a shed and no smell of smoke and burnt wood, so which is good. Right, so that's what's going on. I do have a little job tomorrow. My father-in-law's Jaguar XF, which what used to be mine, but he's got it now, has got a leak in the expansion bottle. The little pipe that the hose goes onto has got a little cut in it, so it's losing water all over the place. So he's ordered one of those, and I believe it's coming tomorrow. So I think I've got enough tools to have a go at that one. So that'll be coming up. I'll try and do that to come out 2 or 3 days time. So more importantly, that was an update. This was the saw I was telling you about from Tom at Evolution Tools. It's been an absolute godsend. I really didn't want to use it because of this sooty wood, but it's done very well, and it's got rechargeable batteries, and it just goes through with like butter. So Once this is all done, this is a little bit of soot in there, but this will have a lovely clean up. So thanks to Tom for Evolution Tools, and any other tools that have come, I'll give you a little update on those once we get the shed and I can go through those. So thank you to Martin Butler and Gary Butler for Gary's parcel and for organising the GoFundMe page. It really is appreciated. Thank you also to the many people that have subscribed. It's beyond my dreams the way the subscriptions have gone up. It's nearly just over 1,500 now, so it really makes a difference to get started again, and I just can't express my thanks to everyone that has subscribed to the channel. I probably will ask what people actually want later on. We'll start afresh. I'll still carry on with me classics and bits of cars and everything, but I'll ask in the future what you'd like. So thank you once again to everybody, all the subscribers, the lovely comments I've had, which has made the whole disaster much more bearable, and I'm now looking forward to the future, and we're getting there. So thanks once again. I'll be back with this Jaguar in a few days' time, all being well, and so thank you so much, and on behalf of little Dolly over there, Jenny girl, and myself, we wish you a very lovely day. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye.